1.4. Sums number 3. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon x plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 x plus 3 y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. 27 x minus 2 plus 31 y plus 3 is equal to 85. Equation number 1. 31 x minus 2 plus 27 y plus 3 is equal to 89. Equation number 2. Now in this sums x minus 2 y plus 3, x minus 2 and y plus 3, in both the equation x minus 2 and y plus 3 is there. Let 1 upon x minus 2 be a and 1 upon y plus 3 be b. Now here it will come 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Equation number 3. Here it will come 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Equation number 4. Now yes, here 27, 31, 31, 27. Now first what you have to do, add and then subtract. First you have to add the equation 3 by 4 and then subtract the equation 3 by 4. You will get the answer. Now here add. You are doing addition. In addition you have to not put sign, you can do directly. 58 plus 58b is equal to 14, 1 carry, 16, 17. Equation number 3, 4, this is 5. Now it's going by 58. Divide equation 5 by 58. 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. Equation number 5. You have to divide by 58. 58 cancel. 58 cancel. 58 ones are 58. 58 threes are. A plus b is equal to 3. Equation number 5. This is 6. Okay, by addition. Now here we have to subtract. You have taken the same equation 3 and 4. You have to take 3 and 4. 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Equation number 3. And 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Equation number 4. Now here you have to subtract. Subtract equation 3 by equation 4. In subtraction you have to put here sign. Minus, plus sign is there, minus, plus sign is there, minus. Here a plus is there, you have to put minus. Plus, minus, plus, minus. Now 89 is minus and this is plus. Minus 4, bigger number sign. 31 minus 27. 4b, bigger number is 31. So addition sign. Here 31 minus 27. 4a, bigger number is 31. So you have to put here minus. Equation number you got here 6. Name it 7. Now we can divide. Divide equation 7 by 4. Minus a plus 4 minus 4a plus 4b is equal to minus 4. Equation number 7. This is equation number 7. And you have to divide by 4. 4 and 4 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel. Now minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. There is no number, means 1. Equation number 8. This is equation number 8. Here you got equation number 6 and you got equation number 8. Now you have to take these two equations. A plus B. See here, A plus B is equal to 3. Equation number 6. Here A minus B. Minus A plus B is equal to minus 1. Equation number 8. Now one plus is there, one minus is there. Here you have to do addition. Add. Equation 6 by equation 8. In addition, you have to do directly. Plus A minus A cancel. Plus A minus A cancel here. B plus B, 2B. There is no number means 1 is there. B plus B, 2B. Plus 3 minus 1. Answer will be 2. Why? 3 minus 1, 2. And bigger number sign is plus. Therefore, B is equal to 2 upon 2. Cancel 1. Therefore, B is equal to 1. Here you got B is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute the value of B in equation, which is easy. You can take it. Sixth one is easy. In equation number 6, A plus B is equal to 3. Equation number 6. A, we don't know A. B, 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, A is equal to 3 plus 1 will come here, minus 1. Therefore, A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Here you got A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. Again I am explaining this sums. First we are finding B and A. Then we have to again substitute. There is no space for I am rubbing. First you have to see this. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 y plus 3 is equal to 85. This is equation number 1. 31 x minus 2 plus 27 y plus 3 is equal to 89. Equation number 2. Here let 1 upon x minus 2 be A and 1 upon y plus 3 be B. 27a plus sign 31b is equal to 85. Equation number 3. Here 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Equation number 4. First what you are doing? Add equation 3 by 4. If you add, you get 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. Equation number 5. Now see here, for what 58 is going in, divide the equation 5 by 58. You get a plus b is equal to 3. Equation number 6. Equation number 6. Now again you have to take this only, 3 and 4. Now you have to subtract. You have to subtract equation 3 by 4. In subtraction, sign is coming. See, in addition there is no sign, but in subtraction you have to put here sign changing. Your plus sign is there, you have to put minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. If plus is there, you have to put here minus. If minus is there, that time you have to put plus. Now 27 minus 31, 4. Bigger number is 31, so minus sign is there. Here 27 minus plus 31 minus 27 plus 4b. 89 and 85. 4. Bigger number. Equation number 7. Now we are dividing the equation 7 by 4. We divided, we got here a minus a plus b minus 1. Equation number 8. Now 6 and 8 equation we have taken here. See here, a plus b is equal to 3. Equation number 6 minus a plus b minus 1. Equation number 8. You have to here add. Why? 1 plus 1 minus is there. You have to add. Just to cancel 2b, 3 minus 1, 2. B is equal to 1. Substitute the value of b in equation. You got here 2. Means b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 2. Now again you have to substitute the value of A and B. A is equal to what you have taken here, 1 upon x minus 2. X minus 2. Now A we got 2. A we got here 2. A is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. A we got 2. See here. Is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Cross multiplication. 2 multiplied by x minus 2 is equal to 1. 2x minus 2 is equal to 1. See here, 2 into x, 2x, sorry, 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4 and 1. Now 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Here b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. B we got here 1. Y plus 3 cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by y plus 3 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by y plus 3. 1 into y plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to 1. Okay, now see here, 2x is equal to 1 and this 4 we are bringing here, minus 4 will become plus 4. 2x is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 upon 2. This one is solved. Y is equal to 1 plus 3, come here, it will become minus 3. Therefore y is equal to how much? 2 minus 2. 1 minus 3 is 2, bigger number sign is minus. Therefore solution set is equal to x and y. X is 5 upon 2 and y is minus 2. Y is minus 2. Exercise 1.4, sums number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 bracket 3x plus y minus 1 bracket 2 bracket 3x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 8. Now see here, 1 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, equation number 1. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now in this equation number 1 and equation number 2, 3x plus y and 3x plus y, 3x minus y, 3x minus y are similar. So let 1 upon 3x plus y be A and 1 upon 3x minus y be B. Now see here, instead of taking 3x 1 upon 3x plus y, we have to take here A. So see here, this one A plus sign B is equal to 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4, equation number 3. Here we have to take A, but 2 is down. See here, for this 1 upon 3x plus y we have taken A, but 2 is in denominator, so 2 will come here. Minus sign is there, minus. Here 1 upon 3x minus y we have taken B, but 2 is down here, 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8, equation number 4. You can see here 2, 2 and 8 both are going, this equation is divided, we have to divide by 2, equation number 4. Divide equation 4 by 2. See here, this equation number 4. You have to divide by 2 or multiply. You can multiply. Multiply first directly. You multiply equation 4 by 2. Multiply 2. See here, first you have to write your equation. A upon 2 minus B upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This is your equation number 4. Now multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 2 and 2 cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are. A minus B is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Equation number 5. This is your equation number 5. Here you got equation number 3. See here, equation number 3 and equation number 5. Now you have to take equation number 3. A plus B is equal to 3 upon 4. Equation number 3. This is your equation number 3. A minus B is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. Plus and minus is there. So you have to directly add. Add equation 3 by equation 5. Now here plus minus cancel. A plus A, 2A is equal to, see here, 3 upon 4. This 3 upon 4. Here sign is minus 1 upon 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 upon 4. Again, see here, this 3 upon 4 minus sign 1 upon 4. 3 minus 1, 2, 4. 2A is equal to 2 upon 4. Now, therefore, A is equal to 2 upon 4 as it is, and we are bringing this 2 here. Multiply sign is there. See here, 2A, that means multiply sign is there. When it coming here, it will go in denominator. It will go in denominator. A and 2 and 2 cancel. A is equal to 1 upon 4. A is equal to 1 upon 4. Now you have to substitute the value of A. Substitute the value of A in equation, which is easy. You can take it. You can take equation number 3. In equation 3, A plus B is equal to 3 upon 4. Equation number 3. See here. A is 1 upon 4 plus B is equal to 3 upon 4. See, A is 1 upon 4. Here we got A upon 4. B as it is plus is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore B is equal to 3 upon 4, bringing here plus will become minus 1 upon 4. See here, sign is plus, it will come here, it will become minus. B is equal to 3 upon 4 minus, see here, common, 4 is common, so you have to put here common. 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, B is equal to 1 upon 2. You got B and you got A. Again, I am explaining here. This is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. Now, 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y be A and 1 upon 3x minus y be B. Here we have taken A, here we have taken B plus sign 3 upon 4, equation number 3. Here, see here, 1 upon 3x plus y is A. But the 2 is in denominator, so 2 is coming here. Minus as it is, here 1 upon 3x minus y is B, but the 2 is in the denominator, is equal to minus 1 upon 8, equation number 4. Now, only this equation 4, we have taken only this fourth equation, multiply by 2. You have to multiply 2 because 2, 2 and 8. It's going in 2 tables. So we have written this equation number 4 as it is, but here you are writing multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, A minus 2 and 2 cancel, B is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, means minus 1 upon 4. This is equation number 5. Now we are taking equation number 3 and 5 here, and we have add. Why? Plus and minus is there, so this cancel. Plus B minus B is cancel. A plus A, 2A, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Now denominators are same, so you can directly 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 4. See here now, A, this is A as it is, 2 upon 4 as it is. Now 2A is here, you are bringing here, it's multiply sign, it will go division, 1 upon 2, 2 and 2 cancel, 1 upon 4, A is equal to 1 upon 4. Now substitute the value of A in equation number 3. We have taken equation number 3 here. Equation number 3. A, we got 1 upon 4. B, 3 here. B, 3 upon 4, bringing from left to right, minus, plus will become minus. 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4, cancel it. B is equal to 1 upon 2. Now again you have to substitute the value. Now see here, what we have taken, A is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y, and B is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. A we got 1 upon 4. A we got 1 upon 4. We have find A and B. So A, instead of A we are writing 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. This as it is. Here you have to write here. Substitute the value of A and B. Okay. Now cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by 3x plus y is equal to 1 multiplied by 4. Cross multiplication. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x plus 3 into x, 3x, 1 into y, 1y, so 4. Now here B we got 1 upon 2. B we got 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Cross multiplication here also. 1 multiplied by 3x minus y is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. 3x minus y is equal to 1 2s are 2. Okay. Now arrange it. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number till 5 we have got 6. Equation number 6, and this 3x minus y is equal to equation number 7. Now you got equation number 6 and 7. Three x plus this one, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 6, and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 7. Now plus and minus is there. You have to add. Equation 6 by 7. Now this plus and minus cancel. 6x, 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 upon 6, cancel 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. Here you got x 1. Substitute the value of x substitute the value of x in equation number, which one is easy? Sixth one. In equation number 6. See here. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3. X we got 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, solution set is equal to x and y. 1 and 1. We got 1 and 1. Again I am explaining. We got A. See here. We got A is equal to 1 upon 4. And B we got 1 upon 2. Now we have to substitute the value. Now we have to substitute the value. See here. Substitute the value of A and B. A is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and B is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. A means 1 upon 4 we have written this as it is, cross multiplication. Multiply this, cross multiplication. We will get equation number 6. B we got 1 upon 2 and 3x minus y. Here again cross multiplication. Here you will get equation number 7. 6 and 7. We have to add. Why? Plus and minus is there. 6x, 6. X is equal to 1. Then substitute the value of x in equation number 6 because 6 is easy. So you will get y 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.